Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about full outer join in DBMS. What we will learn today? What is full outer join? And then we'll see one example on full outer join. So what is full outer join? It is also known as full join. Suppose we want to join two tables A and B. Full outer join returns all the rows in right table A and all the rows in left table B. It combines the result of left outer join and right outer join. So left outer join plus right outer join will give you full outer join. It is a combination of left outer join and right outer join. So need to use on keyword here also, like left outer join and right outer join, and it puts null for missing counterpart rows. So wherever you can't put the value, there you have to put the null as a value. So now we'll see the example of full outer join with Venn diagram. So now this is your left table, suppose, and this is your right table. So all the values of left table will be written and all the values of right table will be written, and the matched rows from left and right also will be written. So here basically everything is written in the output table. That's why it is called as full outer join. So suppose this is your table A, table B. Everything will be written from table A also and everything will be written from table B also. And the common data between both the table also will be written. So now we'll see example on full outer join. This is a table 1, or you can say it as a left table, which has a roll number column and the class column. So total 2 columns, and it has total 4 records. Roll number 1 FIA, 2 is FIB, 3 is FIC, and 5 is in the FID class. So this is these are the records of table 1. Then we have a table 2. Table 2 has 4 records. Okay. Roll number 1 is Rakesh from Panjim, 2 is Suresh from Margao, 3 is Tina from Mapsa, and 4 Rina from Vasco. So now we have to apply the full outer join on table 1 and table 2. So suppose query is this, that is I want to find out the roll number, class, student name and student address from table 1, full outer join table 2 on table 1 dot roll number equal to table 2 dot roll number. Meaning what? When you do the join of two tables, there has to be one column common between both the tables, and that column is roll number. See, roll number is there in table 1 also and roll number is there in table 2 also. So based on the roll number only these columns are combined or joined. So which join I have to apply now? Full outer join. So in the output table, roll number, class, student name and student address column has to be there because that only we are selecting. So roll number, class, student name and student address is there now in my output table, that is table 3. So now check the roll number. Based on the roll number only we have to see the rows are matching and we have to return the rows first. Matched rows. So roll number 1 is there in table 1 and roll number 1 is there in table 2 also. So the roll number 1 record from the table 1 and roll number 1 record from table 2 will be coming in the output table, that is table 3. So roll number 1, class is FYA, then student name is Rakesh and the student address is Panjim will be coming in the output table. Same way, check next roll number, that is roll number 2 from the table 1 is matching with the roll number 2 from table 2. So again the entry for roll number 2 from table 1 and table 2 with all its record will be coming in the output table. That is roll number 2 from FIB class is Suresh from Margao. Similarly, roll number 3 is also there in table 1 and it is there in table 2 also. So whatever is there record for table 3 also will be coming in the output table, that is table. Now roll number 4 is there in table 2 but it is not there in table 1, but it is a full outer join. So table 3, that is output table, will have a record for this table for this roll number 4. So roll number 4 will come in output table. Then student name Rina will come and student address Vasco will also come in table 3. And for class there is no roll number 4 and his class is not there in the table 1. So in the class column null is put up for roll number 4 record. Okay, because there is no roll number 4 in table 1. So there is no class also for that. So here null will come. Same way, now roll number 5 is there only in the table 1. It is not there in the table 2. So entry for roll number 5 is missing in table 2. But the entry will come in the output table because it is there in table 1. So full outer join will consider both table 1 also and table 2 entries also, even if they are not matching. Okay, so roll number 5 will come in table 3, that is your output table. Then roll number 5 class is what? FYD, so that is also will be coming in table 3. Now table 2, there is no entry for roll number 5, so there is no student name and student address for roll number 5. So on those places null will be coming in table 3, that is student name null and student address also will be null. But all the records from table 1 is also coming, and all the records from table 2 also will be coming in table 3 in case of full outer join, unlike left outer join and right outer join. Okay, so here all the entries are coming. So this is example on full outer join. So in today's lecture we learned about a full outer join in DBMS. Thank you.